Here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Now we're about to see what's inside. And you can order one right now. We're almost in Prime Day. And then the holiday season kickoff. So Prime Day is the 10th and 11th. So they have Prime Day sales going on now. And you can get one of these. Coming from my good friends over at Redragon. They got a lot of good computer accessories, gaming accessories for your PC. And this is a new one. Redragon Trundle. Wired 108 keys, mechanical keyboard. Chroma RGB. Let me zoom in on it. Dustproof. Here it is. Looks pretty good. So now, drop you guys. There we go. Now we can see it better. Here's all the good stuff. Hot-swappable design. RGB light with side light bar. Additional media keys. And a mechanical keyboard switch for DIY. So you can buy other keys and swap them out. 108 keys. Go. So if you're looking for a new keyboard, definitely check these guys out. And order yours now, and they'll ship it to you fast. So now's the time to buy. Like I said, with the Prime Day sales and everything going on, you can get these at a good deal. Might as well get a couple of them. Just because of the Prime Day and Christmas coming up, Santa Claus will be getting busy. There we go. Oh wow, everything comes out. Alright. Hold on. Oh. Okay, now we got it. This over flip. Here we go, Redragon Trundle. Here's that key that you pull them out. And we got a USB cord right here. We untwist it. Little twist ties. Here we go. Right there. And we got some extra keys. We'll get this out of here in a second. Let me cut it. So they also got a gaming mouse, a lot of esports stuff. So here we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And that's what they look like. There we go. Something's weird with my, there we go. So you get a bunch of those. And you get all of these. And then you get one of these. stickers for your laptop, desktop. Oh yeah, more bubble wrap. It's a light keyboard. And you get a manual. I like the way it feels. Might just make it all gray and white. Oh yeah. Looks really nice. Here's the back. You got the non-slip guards right here. These. And then you go flip this for a stand. You got them all over. That's good. Here we go. Really nice. And now I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to shut off the lights in a second. But you can see that's caused by the camera, the flickering, so don't worry about that. And we got, oh, here's a little sidebar. Some sidebar action. I'm sure if you hit F1 and you get it down here too. Oh, fancy. Yeah, if you hit F1 and INS, you could switch your modes. I'm going to turn off the light. It's still a little bright out, but I'll probably do a little bit better, as we could see in a second. There we go, a little bit better with the lighting, but it's still like 5 o'clock. Really cool. You can hit FN. You can see on the desk or on the computer right there. Right there. But let's see how they feel. Feels good. And FN, IN. Pretty cool. Let's see what else it does. Here we go. Looking good, looking good. Still on the bottom. Here's another mode. Really cool. So like I said, if you're looking for something new, definitely check them out. Redragon, Trundle. Hopefully I pronounced that right. RGB, mechanical keyboard. 108 keys. You can see that light down there. Try one more. See if this one's different. Oh, it's like that. Whoa. That's pretty cool. There you go. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Redragon. Be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.